Guys, look at that. Y'all see that? A wide body coming up the truck. Whoa, what a beauty. I'm glad I came out here. I was able to catch him, but I still don't see that Wrangler. Let me get y'all some good. Look at that beauty there, buddy. Telling you guys, this is like the third day straight we done got. I'm sorry it's shaking, guys, but I'm walking. I'm about to go ahead and take a look at this beauty right here. Look at that. Plastic still on it. Smack brand new, y'all. We finna go get a closer look. What else they dropping off? Probably only got one wide body. See, y'all telling me this stuff is still selling like hotcakes, and the rumor has it they trying to, I don't know. The more I talk about it, the more it sounds like I'm spreading the rumor. So we gonna, where he going? Look, fresh off the truck. He wanna go for a joyride? I don't know where he going. The mirrors ain't even twisted down yet. Plastic still on the wheels. Wide body from the factory, y'all. That is a beauty. Alright, what else we getting? It's just a typical scat pack. It ain't no wide body in there. So, well, they gotta be extra careful coming out this thing. Guys, again, this is the third day straight, guys. Okay, so these things are selling. I mean, our inventory is low. Nothing else. Dealership can't survive without selling cars, guys. So we got to make it happen, man. And I want to think that the more I showcase the product, the sales go up. I am highly responsible for one sale. I do know that. Okay. Now, that pretty much can justify me doing what I'm doing. Just say if I'm not supposed to be doing this. I mean, there's nothing in the rule book that says we actually get a bird dog for anybody can sell a car. In other words, I can be a salesman. All right, yes, I go turn the customer on to the salesman, and they bring it across the finish line. Did they notate that? Y'all see that? Unless that's part of the PDI. I think that might be part of the PDI, but yes, I am responsible. Hey, these still selling? They have to be. We ordered some more. I'm responsible for the sale of one Charger I know. Guy called me, asked me, do we have it in? Have the one he want, the one color and everything. We had it in stock. See, the dealer in his neighborhood would have had to order it, and he would have had to wait. He didn't want to wait. He had the money, he had the finances, he had all the paperwork together, so he wanted it now. So yes, I just simply went up to the sales department, turned them on to my favorite salesman, and we got across the finish line, guys. So that's what it's all about. Now, bird dog wise, yes, I'm supposed to get a cut out of that, but these things are selling, man. And with the price tag on them, it's kind of, I ain't gonna say hard to believe, but yes. What's this? Let's see, this one's 21 miles a gallon, $50,000. This is the Durango, but not the SRT, not the big boy. Look under there, guys. You about to jump in and drive that off. Hey, we got a Gladiator. I don't hear too much about Gladiators. I mentioned this the other day on one of my videos that I have never worked on a Gladiator. Nothing spectacular about it. Just they're not failing. They don't. I never seen one in the shop for oil change or anything. I don't know what they some kind of special car. I don't know, but it's crazy. Let's go over here and look at it and see what's the price tag on this mug. The Gladiator. It won several awards, guys. Oh, they put the sticker to this on the front. $19 miles to a gallon. $40,000 base price, guys. Total price $56. So I don't know what people look at when I'm sure they're looking for the lowest price possible, but For the most part, I don't know. Cherokees. I got one of these. The 2017 model, guys. They done got a hold of all the problems on those. There you go. There you go. Be careful, buddy. You're being filmed. One small mishap, and it's recorded. Be careful. He a pro at this, guys. All right. So that's about it, man. I'm gonna go back up front. I like to keep y'all up to date on what we got going on or what we get in the inventory. All right, so we'll talk some more later, guys. Let me get out of here. Thanks for watching.
I walked in telling my wife I want.
Oh, for real? Yeah, look at his arms, how wide his arms is. Damn, that is sweet. He ain't even mad no more. I'm gonna open this door. I'm gonna open this door. God damn, man. I gotta hold it. Oh, the door came down on it. The door came down on it.
He had to strap our down so it won't come down.
That's how you do a tune-up.
Oh yeah.
Go, you cheat, you go to the back. How you do the other side?
Yeah, same way.
Same way?
I'll do the other side.
You did it the same way?
Yeah. I can't call this like come back.
So it's easier to do?
Oh, hey, it's right here.
Well, I mean the other side.
Oh, it's a little bit tougher, but damn right it's easier this way.
Yeah.
How do you go?
I do both.
Yeah.
You know how I'm feeling, yeah.
Yeah, you might not be strong enough that day.
You're having a good day or not?
Yeah.